Hello, everyone. Welcome to this really exciting talk by Dr. Byun from Korea. He's actually joined us live from Korea, and it is quite late in this time. So thank you, Dr. Byun. He is the CEO of Enjet, and he will be telling us more about a really exciting high-resolution printing process. So he will tell us about high-resolution printing from 2D to 3D for printed electronics. He will present for around 17 minutes, 18 minutes. As usual, the panel is open for questions. You can write your questions on the left-hand side in the session chat. We read all the questions live. And then at the end of the presentation, Dr. Byun will go into the networking lounge where you can follow up with him. So without further ado, the stage is yours, and I will disappear.
Okay, thank you for Chairman. Welcome to my session. I appreciate all of you to join my presentation today. I'm really happy to give my talk introducing our technology of high resolution printing. And actually, we are extending our application from 2D to 3D printed electronics. I'm Doyoung from Enjet, Korea. At first, briefly, I want to introduce Enjet Corporation. I founded this company in 2009. We aim to provide additive manufacturing solution of electronics, replacing the conventional the manufacturing technology. To achieve that vision, we developed the high resolution printing technology, the breaking the limit of inkjet. And also recently we have developed 3D printed electronics for additive manufacturing of electronics. And also the machine technology, the nozzle technology, mostly we developed. But also to satisfy the customer for a typical application, we should develop the ink materials, conductive and the dielectric ink materials as well. And on the bottom, you are seeing the six the product lineups, the printing, dispensing, coating solutions, and the 3D printing solution, and ink materials and atmospheric pressure, the RF plasma solutions. So we commercialize the six the product lineups. What we do is we have developed original fluid control technology based on head, valve, controller, robotic control technology, system integration, and AI software. Typically, the Enjet is the single supplier of IEHD high-resolution printing and coating solutions in mass production. Regarding the IEHD, I will explain more details in the following the slides. Right now we have 50 employees as of 2021. Applied Materials and the major venture capital companies in Korea, they invested to Enjet. Everybody knows what is the printed electronics. In Enjet, we made components or devices by printing technology. Actually, mostly in 10 years, we applied the high resolution printing technology in various fields. At first, we successfully commercialized the functional coating solution for display, the PCB, and some electronic devices. That was the 2D application. And also the high resolution electrode fabrication for display, and quantum dot pixel printing for display, and 3D side sealing, 3D electrode fabrication for micro LED display, and bond pad fabrication for micro LED displays. And also 3D EMI shield coating for semiconductor packaging, 3D electrode fabrication of the smart glasses, and 3D antenna fabrication. So widely from 2D to 3D, we have applied the printing solution, and also we are